On the Payments page, locate the payee you would like to pay. Enter the amount to pay, then select an account to withdraw from using the Pay From dropdown. Select a delivery date using the Calendar feature. Click the Pay button to schedule the payment. To make multiple payments at once, enter the necessary information for each payment you'd like to make, and then click the Pay All button. To create a recurring payment, click the Make It Recurring link. Select an account to withdraw from using the Pay From dropdown and enter the amount to pay. Select a frequency, payment day, and first payment date using the dropdowns. If a payment falls on a holiday or weekend, select whether you want to make the payment before or after the event. Choose if the payment series will end and click the Submit button to schedule the payment.